Hey, what's up guys? Tyrone Bray here, founder of Titan Health and Performance, and welcome to this week's health tip. So after many years of coaching and working with hundreds of different clients, we found that one of the easiest ways to encourage somebody to start working on their nutritional habits is to get them to fill out a food diary. You know, quite often people don't realize quite how bad their nutritional habits have gotten until they see it written down on paper in front of them. So what we've done for you guys this week is on our website, if you click the link in the description below, that will take you over to titanhealth.com where you can download one of our basic food and mood diaries. Now it's not quite as comprehensive as the one we use with our clients once we're working with them one-to-one, but it's very good for showing you obviously one, what you're eating, so you can clearly see, oh shit, I've eaten some crap here, you know, throughout the week, I've eaten way more than I expected. But it also enables you to track how each meal makes you feel, because 1 to 2 hours after eating the meal, you'll go over to the diary and you'll fill in how it's affected your mood basically. And as you do this across the weeks, you'll be able to see what kinds of meals and foods affect your mood and obviously your energy levels as well, which obviously if you've got foods that are negatively affecting you, that's not a good thing, so you'll know, all right, well I need to ideally knock this out or have this less frequently, but this one works for me, so I need to have more of that kind of food on more of a regular basis. So it just helps obviously just to sort of get things in order and keep you working towards your health goals, because obviously now you can keep track of how things are going and how the food is affecting both your mood and your energy levels. So as I say guys, click the link below, head on over to titanhealth.com, download your food and mood diary, start filling it in, and obviously make the necessary changes as you go. And if you have any questions or concerns, as always, head on over to titanhealth.com, post your comments below this video on our blog, and I shall get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. So, did you like this video? If so, subscribe to our channel. And of course, feel free to share this video with all of your friends and family, or anybody that you feel may benefit. And if you'd like access to additional health and/or performance advice, get yourselves over to titanhealth.com and sign up for email updates.